Most digital worlds follow a predictable, failing pattern. Users buy virtual land hoping it appreciates in value, leaving vast grids of empty, inactive property. DreamPlay bypasses that entirely. It operates as a decentralized startup city where value requires participation. The rule here is activity before assets. By the end of this sequence, you will know exactly how to claim a land plot, attach a structured project to it, and kickstart a localized economy. To execute this, you need 3 things ready to go: an active digital wallet, a $2.40 reservation fee, and a specific pre-planned startup concept. That third requirement is non-negotiable. Because this system demands activity immediately, claiming land without a concrete plan turns your plot into dead weight the second you acquire it. Step 1 is exploration. You initiate your daily spin, which allows you to physically traverse the city map and review the existing landscape. This interface shows the contrast you are looking for. On the left, you see established, highly populated communities. Your goal is to navigate past these until you locate an unclaimed map tile, like the blank one shown on the right. Once you select that empty tile, execute the Plant Flag command. This will prompt your wallet to approve the $2.40 microtransaction. Planting this flag does not grant you permanent ownership. It is strictly a temporary reservation, signaling to the network that you intend to build here. The moment that transaction clears, your role changes. You are no longer passively exploring the city. You are an architect on a strict deadline. To solidify your intent, open the Register Idea interface. Here, you will mint your concept as a project NFT, a unique digital token representing your startup that attaches directly to the land. The most common mistake at this stage is inputting too many competing concepts at once. Overloading the land plot creates confusion and limits collaboration. This diagram illustrates the optimal framework. You need a single primary idea anchoring the center, supported by multiple orbiting secondary ideas. For example, assign AI education as your central anchor. Supporting structures would then be specific applications, like a job marketplace or coding community. Input these details to finalize the registration form. As soon as you submit, the map interface immediately updates to display your startup's name. By organizing your concept this way, you give visitors a clear path to participate. A structured framework turns a vague intention into an accessible, investable hub on the public map. This dashboard mockup highlights what happens next. In the upper corner, a 40-day countdown clock begins ticking the moment your idea is registered. This timer enforces the platform's strictest rule. Discovering land earns you permanent recognition, but only development earns you ownership. You have exactly a 40-day activation window to prove your project has momentum. To halt the timer, you must generate external human activity on your plot. That activity is measured in specific actions. You need to invite visitors, get users to stake tokens, or collaborate to build structures. If the clock expires without those measurable interactions, the reservation is canceled. The land is wiped clean and reverts to the public pool. Forcing inactive land to circulate prevents early players from hoarding territory. It ensures the environment remains a functioning network of builders instead of a graveyard of unused plots. At this point, you have executed the foundational steps. The flag is planted, the project NFT is minted, and your temporary claim is fully secured. Look at your map tile now. You will see it stands out distinctly from the surrounding unclaimed grid, marking your active presence in the city. But that 40-day clock is already ticking. Your sole priority now shifts away from the map and entirely toward driving external visibility to your project. This wireframe mockup shows the exact interface you need to tackle next. To attract the activity required to survive the 40-day window, you must design your Dream Playland page structure, utilizing these customizable slots for community links, staking pools, and roadmaps. Completing this page is how you invite participation. Doing the work to convert empty space into an active economy separates passive real estate holders from the actual founders of a decentralized civilization.